With my notifier RP-2002 fire alarm control unit and the basement fire alarm system. So if you think we're doing the demo board, get out of here. We're doing the basement system, bro. Let's go. Anyways, first things first, let's go over some devices. I'm still waiting on another pole station to replace this pole station, but they're taking too long. So I'm looking at you, Amazon, but yeah. Got a BG12 here with a completely stripped lock, and this piece is now broken as well, so this thing is very ghetto, but we're gonna see if it still works. Honestly, at this point, I'm just counting the days before this thing completely breaks, but I've had to resolder these connections like 8 times for this pole station, so wow, surprising. Wow, wonderful. Anyways, so yes, I am very excited right now because the system is, the first phase and the main phase of the system is done. So now it's the fun part where we get to do videos with the system and get views. Yeah, fun. High volume was a terrible idea. High volume is such a bad idea, bro. I should lower that, because honestly, like, as of right now, this is way too maxed out for the room that it's in. Like, high volume 150 candela is like too much. So anyways, here's the other i3. Also, I'll just take this off because I know some people like to see this. We got, these are the exact same detectors. It's a 2WB. So 2 wire units, and we'll see if we can get it. Sometimes these detectors don't like to lock in, but we'll see. Yep, it went. So there you go. Once again, the reason why I didn't go into trouble when I took the head off is because I don't have resistors. Seriously, I need to buy resistors because I used up all my resistors on other things, and all the resistors that I had in the old system don't have no more. So that's slightly annoying. But yeah, so what's kind of nice about the previous tests is they won't be so long anymore. Because last time I yapped for hours about the devices, but now that everyone's seen this already, I don't really have to say much anymore. But that doesn't mean I'm keeping these devices forever. I will be switching devices out here and there, like maybe a smoke detector. The smoke detectors are probably going to stay for a while because I just bought them. But the pole stations will be switched out pretty consistently, especially that one. That one down there will be switched out pretty consistently as well. And my hopes are to put some new devices here as well. But for now, this stays. And this will also be going on the demo board. So, no, these systems are not linked together. This is its own system. This is my demo board. So this system will just stay remote right here. This will not be spreaded out across the building, just the demo board. This, on the other hand, I'm expanding. So the basement, obviously, and I'm hoping to expand into parts of the main house area. Probably not too many alarms, but definitely a few smoke detectors if I can. But right now, our biggest problem is we are almost out of wiring. But we'll do a reset and then we'll pull this one. Leave the door open for this one. So, I guess it doesn't stay open. That's the problem with this board. It's not level, which, well, it is level. It's just could be secured better, but we'll figure that out as we progress. So once again, this panel was installed in a real building, so that's cool. So obviously it still has, I wanted to keep some of the old, okay, yep, you don't have to interrupt me, but I wanted to keep, yes, I know I don't have resistors, they're on the way, just chill. And I guess we'll test the ionization detector. Obviously, I mean, what's a test without an ionization detector? I'm not gonna make it do the all call because my parents are home and I don't think they like that, because once it does that third beep, that it sets all of them off. And now obviously a few minutes later it's actually gonna do the communication beeping, but I'm not gonna keep recording for that because I don't want to waste time. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next system test or whatever video I do next. So stay tuned for that. Hit the notification bell for updates. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out.
May I have your attention, please? An emergency has been reported in the building. One of us is being notified. Please leave the building and report to the designated assembly area for your room.